How to insert logo in Excel header. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can insert logo in your Excel header or Microsoft Excel header. Now, the process is quite simple. Simply open up your Microsoft Excel and open up the project where you want to add the header or add the logo to the header. Now here you can see, now select the header that you want to add logo to. Now I'll just select this column 1 here. What you want to do is simply click on the header there, and once you click on header, what you want to do is click on the pictures option that you can see. Simply click on pictures option and you'll get various options. You can add picture from your device, from stock images, or you can search it on website. I'll just add it from this device since I've downloaded it, and then simply click on this picture and head into the folder where you have downloaded the logo to. Now I've just downloaded it here. You can see WhatsApp PNG image. I'll just click on open, and once you click on open, it will open up and it should take time to load. Now however, you can see here it has opened up, but it's above my text and it's here and it's on hold page. Next thing what you need to do is, once it loads up here, what you can do is drag this to the right here, and here you'll get this option. You can resize it. Simply resize it to the size that you want it, and then what you can do is add it to the place to the header here. Now you can see here, you can drag it and here you can add it in place of the header, and you can resize it as much as you want here. So you can see, simply press enter and it will be resized and set up there. So this way you can insert logo and Excel header. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.